Hey everybody, it's Flem. I'm just checking in this morning. It's about 11:20 on March 24th. It's Tuesday, and I have had a lot of students email or text me, kind of freaking out a little bit about what's going on because um, no teachers have really planned anything. We've talked about Zoom meetings, and there are some of you that have a lot of questions. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick, and I'm going to post this to my YouTube channel again, but I'm not going to separate juniors and freshmen. I'm just going to talk to you all at the same time. We've been having a lot of meetings with teachers and administrators just to kind of talk about how this is going to look. So one of the things is that we're not really going to start anything unless you've been contacted by a teacher already. At least for me, we're not starting anything until next Monday, which is going to be March 30th. So you're really going to have to start checking your emails. Sorry, checking your emails real regularly, checking Google Classroom because things will officially start on Monday. I'm going to take things in week chunks. So I'll post your assignments that you'll have to have for the first week, and we're just going to do a real soft deadline. I don't have a whole lot that I'm going to have done for that first week, but if I started out on Monday, stuff will have a soft deadline for probably that Sunday. So that way you'll have about 7 days to get your assignments done. Let's see what else. I haven't set up any Zoom meetings yet. We've been talking a lot about that. And we also know that there are students out there that don't have internet. There's not a whole lot. We've heard like maybe 5 to 10. And I am waiting to find out who those students are because they're going to need to have hard copies. I had a student ask about if they have to do everything on the iPad, and I told them absolutely not. Nothing for me really has changed as far as how you guys are going to be handing things in. If you still want to do things that are written, you want to write it down, pencil to paper, I love that. That's great. Just take a picture of it and turn it in that way. There are some of you that still want to be just technology based. So nothing like that is going to change. The amount of work that we will do is going to change, and the way that it's delivered is going to change. I am going to have office hours, specific office hours. Give me just a second if you would, because I sent that to Mrs. Frakes. It's not going to let me get in there. But my office hours, I think that I have chosen to do from 9 to 10, and then I think 4 to 5. So I'll have 2 hours every single day that I am available just for you all. And probably what I will do is set up a Zoom meeting during those 2 hours of the day, and then I'll send out the link, and whoever wants to join can join. If you have specific questions, that'll be a great time to ask them. And if you don't have any questions, then you don't have to join. I would love to see your faces, even if it's a time just that we can, just talk about what's going on or whatever. So let's see. Let me check my notes as far as what we talked about today. Hold on. Let's see. For both juniors and freshmen, I think that I'm going to use Macinvia. If you haven't been in that yet, it is this awesome tool that comes to us from Miss Robin. And it is like a storehouse just of like thousands of books and articles and short stories and things like that, current events. So I am going to be utilizing that. So if you do not know your login, like if you've never been in it, your login is your last name plus the first three letters of your first name. So if it were me and I was logging in as a student, I would put Fleming, P-E-N, because my first name's Penny. The first three letters are P-E-N. So my login would be Fleming, P-E-N. And then my password is going to be the same passwords that I use for Skyward. Okay. And if you need that again, then just let me know. I might put that in the description. So look for that there. We talked about that. So make sure that you can get to that. Let's see. I don't know if there's really a whole lot else that we talked about, a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh, I just licked my finger. You're not supposed to do that. Yeah, I think that's about it. Just know that I am working really hard to do a lot of different things and bring information to you guys in just real different ways. We're cutting our class load down. I want you guys to get outside sometimes. So maybe we'll do a scavenger hunt for a couple of classes, and then you're going to have to maybe give me a metaphor or a descriptive paragraph over the best thing on your scavenger hunt that you saw. So just stuff like that. I think that's it. If you have any questions, either put them on Classroom or you can stick them in the comment section of YouTube. But I mainly just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that we have not forgotten you. If you haven't been in contact with your teachers, we are working long hours to deliver content to you guys so that you're still learning. It's a new time for all of us. So one of the things that we are going to do is give each other a whole lot of grace. You guys are going to give me grace, and I'm going to give you guys grace, and we're going to get through this. So I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. I sure do miss you. I miss seeing you in the hall. I miss seeing you in my class. I miss joking around with y'all. And just make sure you're taking care of yourself, eating right. Don't let the media freak you out, but at the same point in time, take it seriously. And I hope to be seeing you all sometime soon. So like I said, not going to start anything heavily until March 30th, which is next Monday. So that's really when we're going to be in full swing. Boop, boop, boop. So like I said, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Either send it to me in an email. I have had several students texting me. Stick it on the comments of YouTube, that kind of thing. So if there's anything you want me to know, or if there's anything that you have questions about, or whatever, anything you even want to just say. So take care of yourselves. I care an awful lot about you. I love you guys. I miss seeing you. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other, and wash your hands. Okay. I will definitely be seeing you on March the 30th, next Monday. Okay. Be checking your emails. People are trying to get a hold of you. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.